Rotary drilling rig. Concrete pump truck. Crane with clamshell bucket. Excavator with hydraulic hammer. Wheeled excavator. Crane with racking ball. Skid loader. Articulated dump truck.